Winter Wonder. Winter Wonder. Oh, it's so cute. I just love it. It's so cute. So let's start out with the paper pad. Winter Wonder, definitely a winter, right? Winter themed collection. Those of you that live in Southern California, that's where I say, guess what? Go up to Big Bear. If you want to scrapbook your or list with your winter products, then go find the snow. Go seek the snow. Lindsay, you will have lots of snow where you're headed on your little trip. Or use this product to list about why you wish you lived near snow. If you don't live near snow. No, I live very close to snow. So, well, in my front yard. So very close. All right, so Winter Wonder 6x8 pad, 24 papers, 2 sheets each of 12 different designs. Look at how cute that is. It's freezing season. Look at how darling, 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 darling. Lindsay said, oh my, noteworthy is swoonworthy. Totally. That beautiful plaid, right? The light blue snowflakes, nice pink gingham. Look at all the adult beverages. Well, they could be adult beverages or they could be your favorite hot beverage of choice. Hi, Susan. Susan said Cosmo Cricket was a favorite, still hoarding my collections. And Karen from Colorado, yes, you guys did. You guys just got bombed with snow, right? Okay, these are your hot beverages. So they could be a hot cocoa, it could be coffee, it could be a hot toddy, it could be, Bailey's, maybe a little Bailey's and coffee. Or it could be my least favorite, dirt water. I love iced tea, hot tea. Hot tea in my book equals dirt water. So whatever is in these cute little mugs makes you happy, right? Whatever your beverage, hot beverage of choice is. Cute plaid, snow much fun, darling. Oh, that snowflake. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at these two together, okay? Both of these could very well be used in your December documented, any of your December projects, right? Because look at this. Dashing through the snow, hello winter, cozy, hot cocoa and happiness, want to build a snowman. So dashing through the snow doesn't necessarily, I mean, we usually associate dashing through the snow with Christmas, right? But definitely winter. Love those two together so much. You know why I think I love this one so much? This is like Lael personified right here. You have your little word strips and then they're outlined. I always say if it looks like you're missing something on a project, add a word strip and then I outline everything. So that is like, that just is so me. That's probably why I like it so much. Cute little, like little kind of winter flowers, a nice diagonal stripe, cute polka dot. There's a floral that says the most wonderful time of the year. Oh, this is fun. The burr and the light blue, multicolored polka dot, a mint. So what's fun about this collection, they've pulled in some pastels, right? So pulled in the mint, pulled in the light blue, pulled in a little bit of the coral and the pink to kind of brighten it up a bit. Hot cocoa and happiness. That pink floral. Really, this collection could go a lot of different ways, friends, especially the pattern paper. I mean, there's the kind of the B-sides to a lot of these. Really not winter at all, which is fun because then it extends the use of your pad for quite a while. Oh, darling, that little bunny, warm winter wishes, a little skates dashing through the snow. Oh, that could definitely work in your Christmas projects too, right? And then some 3x4 cut aparts. And then, ooh, that's a beautiful kind of winter floral. And then we repeat again the next same 12 patterns again. So that is the paper pad. Then we'll take a look at the sticker book. So sticker books, the Simple Story sticker books always have 12 sheets. The number of stickers vary, right, depending on the collection. This one has 385. We'll just get rid of that little guy so it's not in our way. All right, let's take a peek here. Wanda said it kind of looks like Easter, right? Some of those colors definitely could lean a little bit more towards Easter. So that collection could work very well for kind of winter and then heading into early spring. Look how fun. The pink sweater, the snowshoes, the snow boots, little candle. Lindsay, there's a candle. Oh, snow cones, how cute. Little snow cone cart, a little snowman, some circle icons. Those are really fun labels. kind of with the stitching. Labels and tabs, lots of snowflakes. Those are really fun words, little word stickers. Some larger titles, which I love that, especially in a sticker pad that's fairly small, right? Some really nice wide titles for us. The border stickers. Oh, look at the snowmen. And look at these cute little guys. Aren't they darling in their little scarves? So cute. Floral. And some labels. Ooh, this one totally screams Christmas, right? So you could, what's kind of fun about this collection is we're looking at it. This could work for Christmas. Parts could work for Christmas. Parts could work for winter. And then if you're staying away from and most of the icons, right? Then the paper patterns could work into spring. All right, then we have the rub-ons. So again, 2 6x8 sheets of rub-ons. There we go. So cute. Even those little banners could kind of work really well for New Year's. Pretty soon we're going to make this work for all seasons of the year. I'll be like, oh, look, there's a little green. That would work for St. Patrick's Day. No, just kidding. Ooh, I like that at the bottom, though. Look at the stitching. That's new for Simple Stories. I don't think we've seen the stitching in their rub-ons before. Very fun. Okay, so those are rub-ons. Now we will move into the die cut packs. So 1, 2, 3. It is the last collection that I will show you that has the big bits. All right. Hi, Tammy. Nice to see you. Okie dokies. Whoops. Come on. All right. Bits and pieces. Let's start with the regular bits and pieces pack. So 66 pieces in here. This is chock full. Hi, Molly Mom James. Molly Mom James. Oh, Molly Mom James. Molly Mom James. Amber. Is that Amber? Las Vegas Amber, not Simple Stories Amber. Tell me. I think so. I think so. Let's see if I got it right. Look how fun. Let it snow. It is. Yes. I love it. Hi, Amber. Nice to see you. I'm so glad you told me that was your YouTube name. Sometimes I know you guys, but I'm like, who the heck is that? Because I don't know your YouTube name. Ice Skate Rental. So cute. Look at all these little snow socks and mittens, florals, more mittens, a little birdie, a little house, Winter Wonderland, Wonder. So many great pieces here. Oh my goodness, look at the ski goggles. Our nice little boots. I love that holly. Looks like there's some little mugs. Tea, hot cocoa, little scarf. But seriously, such good pieces. And so many pieces, right? Didn't we say 66 pieces in there? That is a lot. Yay, it's winter. That generally does not come out of my mouth. Yay, it's winter does not come out of my mouth. Summer, I say, yay, it's summer. And then I say, yay, it's spring, because generally it's been a really long winter here in Utah. Look at the skis. So fun. I had those upside down. And the nice puffy parka. So very fun collection. And then our little hot cocoa cart. So that is, those are the regular die cuts from Winter Wonder. Then we move to the journal bits. So again, the journal bits are going to be a little bit larger and will be more designed for writing or doing your journaling. 29 pieces in here. Love that stitching, right? Isn't that cool how they brought that stitching through? Look at our little snowman. So cute. He's like, hands in the air. That is from Toy Story, right? Woody something. I don't remember what it is. But he's like, not hands in the air. I don't remember what it is, but that just popped into my head for a minute. Cute little banner there. There's a couple of those. Look how fun. How fun those are. Those of you that really like to bring pastels into your Christmas projects, this collection, this Winter Wonder, would work great for bringing some pastels into your Christmas. So cute. Oh, that little guy, darling. Well, look at the little, he's got little pom-poms on his scarf. Snow day. Oh, I love this guy. All right, so those are the journal bits. So you can see the difference between the bits and the journal bits. They have a different feel. All right, then we have the floral bits, floral bits, not pips. 73 pieces. So there are a lot of pieces in here, but some of them are little tiny guys like this, like your little snowflakes. Okay, but those are awesome, those little snowflakes. Oopsie. Okay, so your floral bits, these are all your florals that have been cut for you. Reach for the sky. Thank you, Teresa. That's what Snowman's saying. Reach for the sky. That's funny, I couldn't remember that. Both of our boys, oh my God, goodness. They were like crazy, crazy, crazy over Toy Story. Like when they were little, so crazy over Toy Story. I feel like I knew that movie, the first one for sure, by heart. So we've got a little bit of greenery in our floral bits. Thank you, Teresa. That was bugging me. I'm like, what is that? Beautiful flower. Oh my goodness, look at that, like a winter daisy. That's a good size, look at that. Those of you ever in your life have done Weight Watchers, that is like a serving of chicken. Remember when they teach you that palm of your hand was like a serving of protein or the size of a cassette tape? There's your chicken flour. Yeah, that's good size, good size. Unless you're looking to eat something, then you're like, that's not very big at all. Okay, you can tell I'm a little punchy. All right, so those are the 3 die cut packs that are part of Winter Wonder. The bits and pieces we saw first, the journal bits we saw second, and then those beautiful floral bits. All right, the more I look at this collection, it's very versatile. It's definitely versatile when it comes to being able to, I think, work some of the pieces into other seasons, working backwards into Christmas and forwards into spring. All right, last thing we will look at before we look at the big bundle for Winter Wonder is the washi tape. So 5 rolls. Again, 2 are going to be 15 millimeter, and 15 millimeter is your standard, right? 15 millimeters your standard. Standard-ish washi, right? If there's a standard anything. And then the other 2 that you have are about 8. Oopsie. All right, so I'll put these down and then we will take a look. I'll bring them up to the camera so you can see them. It's a beautiful plaid, really pretty plaid. Oh my gosh, that reminds me of like So Preppy, right? Those colors. And then this snowflake. So the snowflake it's a really dark navy. It is a really dark navy. So it looks almost black, but it's also, you know, dark here in my little studio. So I think in the daylight, we'd be able to see that it was navy. But it's pretty dark, but it's beautiful. Then we have these little words, kind of winter words. Wanda, girls with big hands could eat a lot, right? Well, it's kind of like men, right? Men, in general, and this is very much a generalization, so nobody get mad at me, but men in general are larger than women. Males are larger than females, and so in a lot of cases, males need to eat more to sustain themselves. So the larger you are on the female side, like I'm 5'10". When some people meet me in person for the first time, they're like, holy cow, I didn't realize you were tall. Because when you just see me on camera, you really have no idea. But I'm 5'10". And I'm big boned, right? Isn't that what we say? And I have big bones. No, so generally I am heavier than like my little friend Karen, who's like 5'3", or my mom even, who's like 5'3". But the larger you are, you got to eat more, right? You got to eat more to sustain yourself. So yes, if you had larger hands on Weight Watchers, then you could definitely have a larger portion of your chicken breast. All right. So now we are looking at the washi. So there we go. The 5 rolls or the 5 patterns of washi in Winter Wonder. So cute. I love this. I love all of it. I really love all of those. They're just all so good. So good. Wanda said she's 5 feet. Karen said she's 5'4". It's Darium said very statuesque. There we go. Very statuesque. Yes. Yes. All right. Let's take a look at the big bundle for Winter Wonder. So everything I showed you so far, a la carte, is part of the big bundle. So the washi, the rub-ons, the paper pad, the sticker book, and the 3 packs of die cuts. Bits and pieces, the journal bits, and the floral bits. So that was everything that's a la carte. But then in the big bundle, you also have all of these other awesome things. So when you buy the big bundle, you get 15% off the big bundle. So, because you're buying it all. The enamel dots, and these are really cool. I'm going to see if you can see this. These are glitter. Glitter. Yes, Scrapbook Sister said cute washi. I agree. Carmen, you're almost 5'11". See, isn't that funny? I had no idea. So can you guys see that? You see like the little glitter in those enamel dots. They're very fun. Very, very fun. Pamela, I was 5'2" before my last surgery. Now you're 5'3". Isn't that interesting? Just, I guess, with the hip replacement, right? They added a little, they decided to give you a little extra height. Now your pants will be too short, maybe. All right, the layered chipboard. These are really fun. I keep taking things out of the package just because you get the glare from the lights, so it makes it a little bit harder to see at night. Those layered stickers, those are so fun. So, like this little guy, it is like a kind of a cardstock sticker. Then his hat is an additional layer and a little scarf is an additional layer. So you have different layered pieces on those stickers. Wanda said, wow, so pretty. Yes. Karen said, I chatted with the lady in the store. She was over 6 feet. I agreed to get her things off the bottom shelf and she got me things off the top shelf, literally. That is so fun, right? Love it. Reminds me of, there was a Sesame Street little skit about these 2 weird creatures that were trying to get like peaches off of the tree and they had to work together, and anyhow, that's what that reminds me of. Look at the self-adhesive brads. Aren't those awesome? So those are metal. Those are metal with kind of epoxy stickers in the center if you've never used those. And then the self-adhesive little chipboards on the bottom. The chipboard frames. So you have 6 chipboard frames always in the packs of chipboard frames, a combination of 3x4s and 4x6s. Hang on. Frames are perfect for highlighting your photos, it says. Yep, that makes sense. Okay, those were the decorative brads. Here are the chipboard frames. Always really good size. So, like, look at this guy. This is going to be larger than my ruler. So that is about 7 inches wide, probably 5 inches tall. Yep, nice, good size. Those are not self-adhesive, so you just add your adhesive behind it. But look how cute, your little hot cocoa stand. This collection is so stinking cute, I can hardly stand it. I can hardly stand it. All right, then we have the foam stickers. So you have the 2 6x12 sheets of foam stickers, so cute. Get those, aren't they great? You have the chipboard stickers. Wanda, in the store and a tall person walks by, I ask, can I borrow your height? Love it. Super cute, look at the little bird and the little polar bear with the scarf. And then you have the collection kit, the 12x12 collection kit. So that is the 12 sheets of double-sided 12x12 paper. And then you also have the 12x12 sticker sheet. So I will tell you, the Winter Traveler's Notebook Kit, the bi-monthly Traveler's Notebook Kit for winter, for the months of January and February, I have already bought the product. I already have the product for both months. And for January, I have used the Winter Wonder Collection. So the 12x12 sticker sheet and 3 of the 12x12 papers because I loved it so much. Even if you don't live in Winterland, you can still have winter in your Traveler's Notebook. Okay, so that was the big bundle. All of those things, and just a quick reminder, anytime that you purchase the big bundle, it's 15% off because you buy all the things.